Welcome to tip number 3 from Grow with EdTech Tips and Tools from ESU 10. I'm Peg Hoover. My team includes myself, Jason, Crystal, and Diana, who are eager to share tips weekly with you this year. Tip number 3 this week is about Twitter and our hashtag nebedchat. Twitter is a great place for a professional learning network. You can begin to grow a PLN beyond just the four walls of your school by using Twitter. You would be amazed at, number one, how many resources you can find by just spending a few minutes every day on Twitter following your followers or hashtags, and also ways for you to share out information. And almost more importantly, even a ways for you to ask questions. I've gotten so many things asked by my friends on Twitter, and they might live in Illinois or Iowa, but they get back to you and they're able to answer your question or provide resources for you. So please consider joining Twitter if you're not a Twitter convert yet, and then start building your PLN, as well as starting to follow the hashtag nebedchat. Just kind of a quick rundown on what a hashtag is. A hashtag uses that, remember the pound sign is what we used to call it. That's a hashtag. It's a way to filter or tag your tweets. And so anybody who tweets with the hashtag nebedchat is going to be reaching out to Nebraska educators who follow that hashtag. Hashtags are also used to indicate a Twitter chat. And so Twitter chats are chats that occur periodically where everybody gets together for a certain amount of time and talks about a certain topic. So on Tuesday nights from 9 to 9:45 Central Time, nebedchat has its Twitter chat. It's a quick 45 minutes. The topic changes each week. The person who moderates that chat, in other words, asks the questions and responds. That also varies from week to week. 5 of us from Nebraska are in charge of nebedchat. I'm one of those people, along with Jody Morganson, Abby Fitzgerald, James Reed, and Keegan Korf. And so look for us on Twitter, and definitely look for our nebed chats, which are on Tuesday nights. Our first chat of the year will be Tuesday, September 11th at 9 o'clock to 9:45. And the 5 of us will be moderating that chat to kick off the school year. Hopefully you will join us on that Tuesday, the 18th of September. On this slide after the video are some resources, a guide to Twitter, how to Twitter, some lists of Twitter chats and educational hashtags, as well as an anatomy of a tweet image, which I'll click on here in just a second, and then a link to TweetDeck. Once you get into Twitter, you're definitely going to want to use TweetDeck. It just helps you just get more information from Twitter, and it's very efficient for you. But here's the image of an anatomy of a tweet. Check that out. You can kind of just see what all these things, different things mean. Before I go, I just want to show you what my Twitter feed looks like. So if I'm just on twitter.com, here's my account, who I follow, who's following me, and then here is my Twitter feed. So these are just the people that I follow. I could also go type in here on the search and type in hashtag nebedchat. And when I do that, I get this. And so now I'm just on the hashtag nebedchat. It's not necessarily people I follow. It could be anybody that used that hashtag. So it's a great way to search all kinds of different things. There's fifth chat, kinder chat. There's hashtag blended learning, hashtag flip learning, hashtag flexible classroom. I mean, anything you can think of, there's a hashtag for, and you can search it. I use Twitter for educational purposes. All of the people that I follow are educators. And so I encourage you to get on Twitter and start using it for a PLN. And just a quick glimpse of what TweetDeck is, check it out on that resource. You're allowed to have in TweetDeck like multiple columns so that all the different hashtags you might want to follow are going to be on one screen. So welcome to Twitter, and I hope to see you on nebedchat on Tuesday, September 11th, or any other Tuesday of the year. Thanks.